Take a ride in the 2012 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, 4-wheel drive, heated seats, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.